Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be talking about the count A function. Let's understand this with the help of an example. This is the table where we have the different students who appeared for different semesters and the total scores given plus their pass criteria. Let us use the count A function here. As you can see here, count A counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So let's hit tab. Let's select this one which says semester 1 2 3. So in all, if I add up all the semesters, total how many semesters were conducted? If I include this, see the count is 15 because it is counting all the non-empty cells. Unlike count function, this counts whether it is text or number, doesn't matter, it counts both. If we replace one of the text here with a number, suppose 343, then also count remains 15. So it counts non-empty cells, even special characters are counted, as you can see here. Now, if suppose I want to change the range, I want to take a count of this column. I just drag this selection to this column and hit tab. This column is counted as well. Whether it is number or text doesn't matter. If I delete a cell in between, the count decreases. I hope the count A function is clear. It helps you to understand and you will be able to use it in your reporting. Thanks for watching guys. We'll catch you all in another video with another function.